decided to try some new stuff out. So I got new cameras.
Is it like coming out like 3D or just like?
No, I'm doing two cameras to record. Like one of them does slow motion that doesn't have sound. So if I record in slow motion, I gotta have the other camera record the sound.
Oh, so I need to look them up in the software?
Yeah, and then I gotta use the software to get them all matched up and stuff. So. Yeah. It's a lot of work.
I don't recall seeing this.
Oh, I think you've seen that one before.
Oh, okay.
I've had a while, yeah. I haven't been out here in ages because I've been busy, and then I had COVID for a while and had to stay inside. Yeah, I got COVID again.
Again?
I mean, I had it a couple years ago, so yeah, I was sick with COVID and staying inside, and I've had like I said, got a new job, so I've been busy with that.
Oh, yeah?
So I haven't seen you around.
Because the store that I was going to was closed down, so I usually don't travel here. I like walking down alley.
Yeah. Yeah, I know the store up on the corner of Elston, that one closed. And
yeah.
The one across the street, you know, there's that other liquor store that was that's Kitty Corner on the north side of Irving Park. Yeah.
They're closed?
No, they're still open, but
yeah, I prefer not to go there.
yeah, I figured you had reasons. You know?
They gave me a hard time one time.
Yeah.
It's hard to go back to some place that does that.
Yeah. I mean, I got places I don't go anymore for, you know,
Particular reason.
You know?
Exactly. So,
It's, yeah, well,
like,
is that from that JT's sandwich shop, or where'd you get those?
Munchies.
Munchies, okay.
dude, cheap sweetheart.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't been there in a while, but they're pretty good over there, so.
She helps me, you know. So, you go where someone is nice to you.
Yeah.
Why aren't the ones in the back moving?
Those back there?
No, right here.
Oh, I just didn't start this other one.
Oh, it's a double.
Yeah, there's two different engines there. I just don't have the other one.
I see.
Running them one at a time today.
Going good today.
Yeah. That one is running real nice today. It's been a good day.
Right?
Just the right temperature. It's not too hot out.
Oh,
So
the
you can
environment really affects it.
Yeah, if it's real humid, they don't want to run because there's too much water
Too
here.
much, yeah.
The ignition likes to short out because it's so much so heavy and wet.
Moisture
Yeah.
in there, I get it.
So, but yeah, real nice day today, so it's running real nice.
It's crazy like how like when you record something, it looks like it's going backwards sometimes. Like
Yeah, it's one of those things. It's just the right speed. The way that the camera takes the photos for video and the speed of the whatever you're looking at,
like
it's just right. It looks like it's going a little backwards.
that's like even with cars with their wheels. Sometimes they're going so fast.
Or like if you're up near the train and you look at the train, suddenly you feel like you're moving and the train is standing still. Kind of the same deal.
Yeah, those trains are heavy. When I used to stay up on the tracks, you could literally feel it rumble the ground.
I grew up in a house near the train tracks in Wisconsin.
Oh, okay.
You couldn't hear the train, but every once in a while you'd start to hear a little bit of jingling noise from all the plates in the cupboard shaking when the train went by. Oh, train going by. All China's wiggling.
We used to stick coins on the rails.
Yeah.
So when the train would go over them, it would flatten around. pick it up after it goes and be like a old machine.
Yeah.
This thing got incredible power.
Oh yeah.
And like even like the other day, I was staring up in the sky looking at the planes.
Yeah.
Like, how the heck, as heavy as they are, how do they allow them to like fly? It's just,
Oh yeah.
it's incredible what man has done.
Yeah, it's pretty cool that we figured out how to make planes go.
It's like as big and heavy as it's like even boats. I kind of get that particular stuff, but like cruise ships, they're so huge. You know?
I mean, boats at least are simple.
I
water
understand
displacement, you know,
it.
but it's not. You know, planes are different. Planes aren't displacing air until they float. You know. So, yeah.
What we've created is amazing.
Oh yeah.
Like even like some of the huge machines that they use for excavating.
Yeah, it's
Just amazing what we come up with.
it'd be interesting to watch videos about some of those big mining machines and stuff. Yeah.
And even the space station.
Yep.
You know, you can see it at night. You know, Polaris is the brightest thing in the sky, but now it's a space station. And the fact that people are up there at that time is just amazing. Like, it'd be interesting to be up there and look down at Earth.
Oh yeah.
But,
Well, they say it's one of those things that, you know, you get up there and you take a look, and then it's a lot easier to think about how the Earth is,
yeah.
you know, just one big place, and if you wanted to, you could end up anywhere. It's also one of those things they talk about, you know, once you've seen the Earth from space, it's a lot easier to think about how maybe, you know, the other people on the other side of the world maybe aren't so different, that they would all come from actually the same place.
Yeah, I know exactly. Yeah. And then, what is his name? Dude who makes Tesla. He's doing what, SpaceX?
Yeah,
He threw a car up in space.
he's such a clown.
Elon Musk, like, you do what he named his kid.
Which one?
Oh, which one?
Yeah, he's got like 3 of them.
Oh.
I can't imagine why anybody keeps doing anything with him because he's such a clown.
Yeah.
But, you know,
He named his kid. Like, it's all like,
oh yeah, goofy letters and whatever.
Yeah.
He's something else.
Yeah, he's something. The horse with a different color.
Horse's ass of a different color.
Well, I'm gonna go get to these.
Yeah, go ahead and enjoy your cheese fries. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful afternoon. Nice day, and then you don't have to worry about it being too darn hot while you're...
Did I tell you somebody switched my tent?
Somebody slashed your tent?
Yeah, 3 times. Twice.
Good grief.
Why? Who am I hurting?
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of people in this wide world who seem to think that rather than minding their own business, it's a lot more fun to make somebody else miserable or be worried about other people.
They're miserable themselves, so they want somebody else to be miserable.
Yeah.
But yeah, so now I gotta recover because then the city sees it. They're gonna say I'm in
Yeah.
a bad environment. I can't think of the name.
Yeah.
So now I gotta take it off.
Yeah, I gotta figure something out for...
I just gotta get some duct tape. They're slits, but they're slits that I don't need.
Yeah, you don't need any of that.
I don't need air conditioning.
Yeah, not with it getting cool out.
Yeah, and that's that way. The rain could have seeped in and just why.
Yeah.
Anyhow, I'll see you.
Good luck. Yeah, enjoy the cheese fries. Hopefully you get your place patched up. And, oh, the car alarm.
I'll see you later.
Bye, Pete.